This section is on using exponential equations. So what we're going to do is look at equations that have x in the exponent or the variable in the exponent and are word problems. So they are applications of different equations that we've been studying. So there's 2 examples, and I would love to do 10 examples, but we're just going to take 2 that are a little bit different, and you'll have to apply the ideas that we talk about in this section to a whole bunch of different types of problems. But we'll just start in class or here just talking about 2 of them. So here it says estimates of the amounts in billions of dollars of U.S. online advertising spending from 2007 to 2011 are shown in the table. All right, so we've got this table, and what happened is they made an equation to model this data. So here's our equation. S equals 10.33e to the 0.1022t, where t is between 7 and 11 because we're 2007 to 2011. So compare the values given by the model with the estimate shown in the table. Okay, we don't have the picture to do that, but we'll keep going. According to this model, when will the amount of U.S. online advertising dollars spending reach 40 billion? Now this is already in billions, so I don't have to change that into a big number with a lot of zeros because our problem is in billions. So I want to know, when does it equal 40? So I'm plugging in 40 for S because I want to know when the spending is 40. So we've made ourselves an equation, and the reason that this is an exponential equation is I need to solve for t, and t is in the exponent. So I'm going to just kind of peel away the layers here. The first thing I want to do is get rid of this 10.33, and it's 10.33 times e. So I'm going to divide to get rid of that 10.33. And I end up with 3.87. All right, the next thing is I need to get t alone, and the only way to get rid of an exponent or get it out of the exponent is to switch forms. So I'm going to do the loop, and I'm going to go into log form. Now I'm going to do log because I'm going to do log form, and the number under the exponent is my base, so this is going to be log base e of, loop around, 3.87 equals my exponent. And switching from exponential to log form takes my exponent and makes it a normal sized letter. So now I don't have an exponent anymore, I just have this. Log base e, I'm going to simplify that, it's just natural log. And if I want to solve for t,
I have an admissions rep from St. Cloud State now in the counseling office at this time. She'll be here for another 10 to 15 minutes. Please stop by with any questions that you might have. Also, scores are in if anyone wants to pick those up.
so if I want to solve for t, it is 0.1022 times t, so I'm going to divide by that. So I have ln of 3.87, and then I'll divide by 0.1022. So here my t is 13.24 years. So how long will it take to reach 40 billion in online advertising spending? 13.24 years is what this model is predicting.